Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this tutorial series. In this tutorial series I will teach you how to create your very own website for your restaurant business. Now this tutorial series isn't for those looking to learn to code. It is, however, useful to those business owners who can't afford to pay a web development agency to create a quality website for their business. So if you have a few hours time and want to create a brilliant website for your restaurant, then please follow this video series. I will show you everything from how to purchase your own domain name, to installing your hosting and WordPress, and then creating this beautiful website which you can adapt to your website needs. So let's look at the website we will be creating. We will be creating a custom and responsive website which could cost you around £4,000 if you were going to an external developer. So the website will contain an intro section, an about section, a menu section with some pretty cool parallax background going on around here, a gallery section which when you click on will scroll you through the different types of images. You could use this for images of your menu, and if you click on any of the images it'll expand into a light box. So let's close that. Finally, a request a booking section and a testimonial section where other past clients or restaurant people could leave reviews for your business. So if you click on these, you can see the different reviews that they have left. And then finally, we'll show you how to implement widgets in the footer so they're easy to use and update, and we'll include how to link to your Instagram account if you have one, and also your Facebook page. So if you look at the site, it's pretty simple, but I think it has everything that you need for your own business. If you click on the navigation section, we got this cool scrolling activity going on. And then finally, if we close the page so it's what it would look like on a mobile device, we go to the mobile navigation working here, and you can see the website is mobile friendly. There you go. So like I said, if you want to create a quality website for your business, then this is the tutorial for you. So please like this video to help us get more views and help other business owners like yourselves, and also subscribe to the channel so you will get updated when we release new videos in this series. Thanks once again, and let's head over to our very first video where we will show you how to set up your own domain name and your website hosting.